Right, so today's wonderful adventure in this here little bungalow is unfortunately scraping wallpaper off. There he is, doing his thing. Look at them muscles, man. I got the side eye there, I don't think he's happy. Right, I tell you what, Jay, let's have a look at that Wagner thing. Let's unbox that. So what we've done, we have bought a wallpaper stripper, because the wallpaper looks like it's coming off nice at the moment, but actually it's not really. It's it comes off in spits and spats. So we bought one of these things, a Wagner, a Steam Force wallpaper stripper. So we'll see what it does for 40 quid. Oh, there you go. Look at that then. How's about that then? And I take it that thing is the float that we stick on the wall. Wow, that's quality, isn't it? Looks like a biscuit tin lid. But anyway, we shall give it a whirl and see what happens. Hopefully something. Yeah, so, as you can see, in some places it comes off an absolute treat without using the steamer, which is nice and a bit of a surprise. But in other places it doesn't, which is a pain in the arse. But never mind. We shall christen that steamer yet. Quite an impressive tree that is, isn't it? I love that tree. And then there's this tree here, scoffing. Look at that. Stuff in his head, look at this. Bye, salad boy.
Oh yeah.
Right, so my Wagner steamer is all plugged in and ready to go. And apparently it takes 12 minutes for it to get up to temperature. It's great, isn't it? And then you can use it for 70 minutes and then you'll be out of water, which is not bad. And then you've got to let it cool down for 2 or 3 minutes before you put any more water in it. Because apparently, a bit like a kettle, it doesn't like having cold water stuck in on a boiling element. So there we go. Learn something new every day. But let's just say, that's my steam pad, that it is not exactly the best quality piece of kit that you've ever seen in your life, because I have actually had better biscuit tin lids than that. It looks like something off a butty box. So we'll see how it performs. Because it can't perform any worse than him. That was a bit harsh, wasn't it? Apparently he's going to kick me head in.
Yeah.
That's love for you, isn't it? So, after standing here like a complete one of them for the past 12 minutes, waiting for me wonderful steamer to heat up, it didn't. And I thought, hey, but it's attached to an extension lead. But guess what? The extension lead has got one of these on it. A silly little red button. And guess who hadn't pressed it? Yeah, I know. So I'm standing there slagging off this steamer. And it's nothing to do with the steamer. It's the fella who plugged it in's the problem. Never mind, eh? Commendable. Well, it definitely steams. That's for sure. We've just got to find out now if it works. Does it do anything? Soon find out, won't we? Oh, hey. Oh, you know what? It might actually be quite surprising, you know. Right then. Well, as you can see, it's only had a couple of minutes. But we'll try. Oh yeah, man. Right, Jay, come over here, mate, if you will. And just give this a scrape. See how we're doing. Let's have a demonstration. I can't... I need 3 hands. So if you just give that... Just that, what's wet. Alright, cool. Alright. Ooh! How was about that then?
Mine actually.
Yeah, just get on that wet bit. Yeah.
Been right on the mark there.
Yeah, I probably didn't do it quite right, but that is brilliant. Well, I think it's going to take 2 of us to do it, you know. I do.
Might be right on that.
So there we go. The Wagner works amazingly enough. Yeah, surprise, surprise. But you do have to take the top layer of wallpaper off, because in our case, that wallpaper is being painted and it was never going to work through that. But it takes the under stuff off a treat, the backing paper as it were, comes off a treat. Doesn't it?
Yeah.
There, see? The boss said yes, so therefore it must be right.
If it's wrong, it's not.
Superb. We shall let you know how we get on. Right, as you can see, we're still at it, but we've done our first 70 minutes that that Wagner thing allows us, and this is what we've managed to clear. So we've scraped this wallpaper along over the fireplace. So I don't think in a 70, maybe 80 minutes, because we started a little bit before, but I don't think that's too bad. Because getting wallpaper off is a pain in the arse, but unfortunately a necessary pain in the arse, otherwise the plasterer isn't going to plaster. Simple as that. Anyway, so this Wagner thing, it's pretty good. It works pretty well. I'm for 40 quid, brilliant. I certainly wouldn't be arsed hiring one. It's a great tool, it really is. It's certainly not the best quality with its biscuit tin pad, biscuit tin lid pad, but yeah, just mind your knuckles on that pad because it gets hot. That's all I would say. But anyway, crack on.